Hey, my friends. Welcome back to English. I'm Mizu, and I'm so happy you're here.
Hey, Mizu. Hi, everyone. Oh, wow, it feels really good to be back with you today.
Same here. So, Lucas, tell me, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good. Good. And yes, very important detail, I am awake.
Awake is perfect. That's already a win.
Exactly. Coffee helped. Coffee. So I'm ready to learn and chat. What about you, Mizu?
I'm doing great, really great. I had a calm morning, so my mood is very happy today.
Oh, nice. A calm morning can change the whole day, right?
Yes, and that actually leads us right into today's topic. Today, we're talking about daily life, our routines, the things we do every day.
Ah, daily routines. That's something we all have. Every person, every day. We wake up, we do things, we sleep.
Exactly, Lucas. Morning, afternoon, night. Small actions, but they repeat every day.
Some people hear the word routine and think, oh no, boring.
I know, but honestly, routines are not boring at all. Everyone's routine is a little different, and that makes them interesting.
Yes, Mizu, I agree. And routines are amazing for English practice. Simple actions, simple words, real life.
Exactly. Real English, real life, step by step. Before we jump into today's story, can we ask you for a tiny favor?
Yes, just a small one. If you're enjoying listening with us right now, tap the like button. It really helps.
And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy you found us. Don't forget to subscribe to the Go English channel.
Sharing also means a lot. If you know someone learning English, please send this episode to them.
Thank you for being part of our little learning family.
All right, Mizu. I'm ready when you are.
Let's go. All right, let's talk about daily life. And let's begin with the very first moment of the day, the morning.
Oh, wow. The morning already. That was fast.
Lucas, do mornings treat you well or not so well?
Honestly, Mizu, mornings and I are not good friends. Not friends at all.
Oh, really? That's funny because I actually enjoy mornings.
Wow. For me, the hardest part is opening my eyes. Eyes open, brains still sleeping.
That feeling is very real. So, when you wake up, do you get up right away?
Oh, no. I stay in bed just a little longer.
Just a little?
Yes, just one more minute. Then, another minute. Then, another one.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous. Suddenly, I look at the clock and think, oh wow, I need to move.
So that's the moment you finally leave the bed.
Yes, fast, very fast. I jump up and rush.
Oh, Lucas, my morning is completely different.
Really? Tell me, Mizu.
I wake up slowly, no rushing. I take a deep breath and stretch.
Wow, that sounds peaceful.
It is. I like starting the day quietly. I open the window, feel the air, and just stand there for a moment.
Oh, I like that image. Very calm.
And after that, the best part, I prepare a warm drink.
Ah, here it comes.
Yes, something warm, something comforting. I hold the cup and relax.
Nice. For me, the morning drink is not calm at all. I drink fast. Very fast.
2 mornings, 2 styles, and both are real life.
So after I drink my morning drink, I usually turn on the TV.
Oh, really? Right away?
Yes, just a little sound in the background. Voices, music. It helps me wake up.
Ah, I see. For me, I do the opposite. I keep everything quiet, very quiet.
No TV, no music.
Nope. I sit still, breathe slowly, and enjoy the silence. Just a few minutes.
Wow, Mizu, that sounds very peaceful. Maybe one day I'll try that.
Even 1 quiet minute is enough. All right, now let's talk about food. After your drink, do you eat anything?
Yes, but very simple. I grab something and go.
Grab and go.
Exactly. A piece of bread or a small yogurt, nothing fancy.
That fits your fast morning style, Lucas.
Yes, my goal is easy. Eat, and move.
For me, breakfast is a little moment to slow down. I sit at the table and eat calmly.
Wow, sitting down? That's a luxury.
I like warm food in the morning. It helps my body wake up. Slowly, slowly. After breakfast, it's time to get ready for the day.
Yes, first step, water. A quick shower, not too long.
Oh, mine is longer. Warm water, deep breath. It helps me feel fresh.
And then comes my least favorite part.
Oh no, what is it?
Standing in front of the mirror, asking myself, is this okay?
That question never ends.
Never. I change once, twice, and then I say, okay, this is fine.
That sounds very real.
And later during the day, my energy goes down around mid-afternoon.
Oh yes, that quiet, sleepy moment.
Exactly. My eyes feel heavy.
So what do you do, Lucas?
I stand up, move my body, and eat something small.
Ah, movement helps.
Yes, just a little walk, 5 minutes.
For me, I slow down again. I drink something warm and take a short pause.
2 styles again, fast and calm.
Yes, different routines, same daily life. All right, the workday slowly comes to an end. The clock moves closer to the evening.
Ah, that moment feels so good. My shoulders relax right away.
So, how do you leave work, Lucas?
I walk outside and feel the air. My body's tired, but my mind feels free.
That sounds nice.
I stop by a small shop near the office. Just a quick stop. Then I head home.
Oh, I like that. For me, the trip home is slower. I take my time and let the day end.
And when you finally arrive, Mizu, what's the first thing you do?
The moment I open the door, I take off my shoes and breathe out.
That long breath says everything.
It really does. The house feels quiet and safe.
For me, I hear sounds right away.
Oh?
Yes, fast footsteps, a happy noise, someone is waiting.
Oh, I know that feeling.
I bend down and say hello. No words needed, just smiles and movement.
That's a beautiful way to come home, Lucas.
It is. Home feels alive. So after that warm welcome, what do you do next, Mizu?
The first thing, I change right away. Work clothes off, soft clothes on.
Yes, soft clothes, the best feeling.
The body knows work is finished.
For me too. That moment changes everything. I feel lighter.
And then, before food, I take a warm shower.
Oh, a shower after a long day?
Yes, warm water, slow breathing. I let the day wash away. Stress, noise, everything.
Wow, Mizu, that sounds so relaxing.
It really is. After the shower, my body feels calm and my mind feels clear.
That makes sense.
Then comes the evening routine.
Food.
Yes, food.
For me, I keep dinner very simple. Easy food, easy life.
I enjoy being in the kitchen after I'm clean and relaxed. I move slowly, cut vegetables, and listen to soft sounds.
Wow. Shower first, cooking later. Very Mizu style.
Exactly. Cooking becomes part of relaxing.
For me, I relax after cooking.
That's fair.
So dinner for me is about comfort, not skill.
And that's perfect. Evening time is for feeling good.
So when it's time to eat, I keep things very easy.
Easy how, Lucas?
One pan, one plate, less thinking.
That sounds like your style.
Sometimes it's rice with something warm on top. Sometimes just a sandwich.
A comfort dinner.
Exactly. Comfort food. Simple, simple.
For me, dinner is slower. I like to prepare everything step by step.
Oh, step by step.
Yes, I wash, I cut, I stir slowly, calmly.
Wow, Mizu. That sounds like therapy.
Maybe it is. So, after dinner, the evening really begins.
Yes, the lights feel softer, the day feels finished.
I like that feeling.
Me too. I tidy up a little, not perfect, just enough.
Enough is good.
Then I sit down and don't move for a moment.
Just sitting is important.
Very important. My body says, okay, we're home now. After that, I usually choose something light to enjoy.
Like what?
Short videos, something funny. I don't want to think too much.
Yes, laughter helps the mind relax.
Exactly. 5 minutes, then 10 minutes.
For me, I prefer something quiet. I turn the lights down and slow everything down.
Very Mizu style.
I might write a few notes or read a few pages. No rush.
Do you ever go outside at night, Mizu?
Yes, sometimes. Just for a moment.
Oh?
I step outside, feel the cool air, and listen. No talking, just listening.
Wow. That sounds very peaceful.
It is. The world feels slower at night.
For me, night is an indoor time.
That's okay. Everyone has their own rhythm.
So, when the day is really finished, how do you prepare for sleep?
I follow the same steps every night. Same steps, same order.
Routine again.
Yes, routine helps the body relax.
What's the first step?
I clean up, wash my face, and change into something soft.
Soft clothes again. Very important.
Always. Then I turn everything off. Lights, sounds, screens.
Oh, screens off. That's hard.
I know, but it helps me sleep faster.
And then?
I lie down, take one deep breath, then another, and that's it.
Wow. Your day starts calm and ends calm.
Yes, and tomorrow we do it all again. So, Lucas, after all that calm evening talk, I have to ask, what happens late at night?
Late night. That's my time.
Of course it is.
When the house is quiet, my brain wakes up. Ideas, thoughts, they all come.
Oh, wow, that's the opposite of me.
I tell myself, just a few more minutes. Minutes become more minutes.
And the clock keeps moving.
Exactly. Before I know it, it's very late.
And then the next morning...
Yes, I regret everything.
You know, Lucas, it's funny how different our days are.
Very different. Fast here, slow there.
But they both work.
Exactly. There's no right routine, just your routine.
I like that. From morning calm to evening quiet.
And from rushing to relaxing.
We really walked through a full day together.
Yes, step by step, moment by moment.
Before we finish, Lucas, let's take a few minutes to review some phrases we used today. Phrases you can use in your own daily life.
Oh, yes, these are super useful. Let's go.
First, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, I wake up early to enjoy a quiet morning. Say it with me. I wake up early to enjoy a quiet morning.
Or if you're like me, a night person, you can say, I stay up late and read or watch videos. Repeat after me. I stay up late and read or watch videos.
Perfect. Next, when you are getting ready, changing clothes, or relaxing at home, I like to change into comfortable clothes after work. I like to change into comfortable clothes after work.
And when it's time to eat dinner, you can say, I enjoy cooking simple meals to relax after a long day. Say it slowly. I enjoy cooking simple meals to relax after a long day.
If you are talking about your pets at home, you can say, I say hello to my pets when I get home. I say hello to my cat when I get home.
Or about your evening routine, you can say, I like to read or watch something funny before bed. I like to read or watch something funny before bed.
Yes, these phrases are simple but very natural. You can use them every day to talk about your life.
And remember, friends, the more you use these sentences, the easier they become. Speak, speak, and speak.
Exactly, Lucas. Little by little, daily life in English becomes real life.
So, try to make your own sentences using these phrases today.
Yes, and share them in the comments. We'd love to read what you say. All right, friends, our day is finished now.
Wow, that went by fast.
Thank you for spending this time with us and listening to our daily life stories.
We hope it felt real and easy to follow.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please support the channel.
Subscribe to Go English and stay with us.
And if this lesson made you smile even once,
Give it a like.
before we go, we have a small question for you.
Yes, we really want to hear from you.
When do you feel your best? Early in the day?
Or late at night.
Tell us in the comments. Simple words are perfect.
We read your comments, truly.
All right, that's it for today.
See you next time, Mizu.
Bye, Lucas, and bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English.
Bye.